Om Shanti. Today, 8th of October 2021. Let us listen to today's Murli highlights. The song played at the start of Murli, Salutations to Shiva. Baba says, on the path of devotion, people used to sing Salutations to Shiva, or they call mother and father to the Shiva, but they don't know him. Now you are sitting in front of Shiva. You should have the intoxication that you are sitting in front of God. Baba says, I have entered this body of Brahma in Madhuvan. I am speaking to soul-conscious children. Baba says, I am the seed of Kalp tree. I am an ocean of knowledge, peace and purity. I am an almighty authority. I am giving you the spiritual knowledge of the beginning, the middle and the end of this world. Baba says, in devotion they have shown at Amarnath, Shiva narrated the story of immortality to the Parvati. Now Baba is asking us, who is Shiva sitting in the body of Shankar? And for how long he narrated the story. They don't have complete knowledge of it. They don't understand anything. Now I am telling you the story of immortality to go to the land of immortality. Who were these Lakshmi Narayan? There was only one religion, deity religion. The population was only 9 lakh. There was uttermost peace and happiness. You were used to rule the world. I am telling you the deep secrets. Baba says you should have intoxication that you are sitting in front of God. When you stay in the stage of yoga while speaking to someone, that person will be attracted to this knowledge. Baba says you should be very happy that the Father has come to take you children to go back to home. I only comes when it is the time of destruction. You were calling me, O purifier, please come. Now I have come to make you pure. Now you should follow my directions. Baba says, but even after becoming my children, some children feel it difficult to follow the directions. Baba says, now practice bodiless. Break off all the love for these perishable bodies. Now you should have complete disinterest in this unlimited old world. This will be destroyed. Remove your attachment from this old world. Baba says, you should not ask why you were not told everything earlier, that she was just a point of light. Baba says, not everything can be explained at the beginning. The Father is an ocean of knowledge, so he would continue to give knowledge. It is my part in drama to give you complete knowledge till the end. Now Baba says, you should not say that this should not happen, that Mama should have stayed till the end. So why did she go away? Whatever happens in the drama is right. Whatever Baba said, he said according to the drama. Baba also leaves everything to the drama. People say that it is the will of God, but the God says it is the destiny of drama. Blessing. May you be a generous hearted and a great donor by being a bestower and donating at every second and in every thought. I repeat, may you be a generous hearted and a great donor by being a bestower and donating at every second and in every thought. You children of the bestower are not those who take, but those who give. You have to give at every second and in every thought. When you become such a bestower, you will then be called a generous-hearted great donor. By being such a great donor, you automatically receive great power. However, in order to give, your treasure store has to be full. You have taken whatever you need, and all that now remains is for you to give. So continue to give. For by giving, your treasure store will become even fuller. Slogan. In order to claim full marks in every subject, imbibe the virtue of maturity. Om Shanti.